Welcome to my channel. Linksys Atlas Pro 6, Dual-Band Mesh MX5503. 1. Download Linksys app. Search and install the Linksys app from the App Store or Google Play to manage your setup. 2. Power on main router. Plug the main MX5503 unit into a power outlet to start the process. 3. Connect to modem. Use an Ethernet cable to link the main router to your modem for internet access. 4. Open Linksys app. Launch the app and create or log into your Linksys account to proceed. Five. Follow in-app instructions. The app will guide you through connecting your device to the new mesh network. 6. Position secondary nodes. Place additional MX5503 units in areas with weak Wi-Fi and plug them in. 7. Sync additional nodes. Follow the app's instructions to add and sync the secondary mesh units. 8. Test connectivity. Move around your home to ensure Wi-Fi coverage is seamless across all nodes. 9. Personalize settings. Use the app to customize your network name, password, and security settings. 10. Complete setup. Once all nodes are online, enjoy improved Wi-Fi coverage throughout your home. Thank you for watching.